Houses are getting, constructed here. So that's the property altogether. A lot of families have moved in. It's an active community. So we are talking about this property 138. I don't know whether the plot number is visible here. So that's the plot number 138. There is a connection, I guess, for water line. That's the water line connection. That's the other side boundary. Other side boundary is here. Here is the other side boundary, and you have the rear end portion here.